Hi everyone. Okay, so plan as much as you can. So today we're going to be talking about the importance of planning. Because I'm a Virgo and quite pedantic, I love planning in lists. Over to Mahmood, who's going to explain more.
Thank you, my Virgo wife. So planning in the arts involves the combination of many moving parts, and it involves a heavy injection of a business approach. There's lots of things that the arts can teach the world of private business. So let me share some approaches that people in the arts do. So when you're planning a major event, the first key thing to get organised is the story. What's the nature of the event? How do you expect this event to unfold? Who are your audiences? What's it going to involve in terms of resources? The next most critical phase is to actually put a cash flow story together. Once you've got your cash flow story together, about the ins and the outs and when it's likely to happen, you take a step back and you look at what's going on. And that is the point at which you can make some real key decisions. If you've got a major deficit, you can challenge costs, challenge the assumptions about revenue, challenge the assumptions about audiences, and that gives you deliverability. Now this is not academic, this is based on real life experience. You want to hear more? Read the blog. Thanks guys.
Okay, so remember guys, plan as much as you can. Till next time, ciao.
Ciao.